Wow, there's a lot of pieces.
Let's see what we got here. Alright, well the first thing is to build the guy. I think we can figure it out.
He's got the head.
Go for it. Just go for it, bro. It's all you. Ready? Ready?
Whoa.
Whoa is right. Alright, what pieces do you think we need? Look at this picture. This is what we have. What do we need?
Oh, we need these.
Push it in for me. You good? Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
Why do we have to do it like this?
You gotta follow the instructions. I don't know. What does the next one say? There you go. There you go. Now you gotta put them all over the wheels. There you go. You got the right idea. There you go. Now do the other side after that one. Make sure it's not that hard, right? Good job. And then the last one. And then I think we're ready for the next page. What do you think?
Hey, Mommy, we're making the wheels now.
Focus on the next page. Ready? Turn the page. Oh boy, this looks like a project, ready? Alright, so first we have to figure out what pieces we need. So, first we put this aside. We're starting a little bit here. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab you the pieces. Then you're going to start, alright? Let's just do just what the picture says. And we'll have it on board from that. Alright, so we need to make something that looks like that. There you go. For sure. Perfect, perfect. Beautiful. You're on fire, kid.
What are you building, Jim? The Empire State Building?